Emergency services. What is your emergency?
Hello, I need an ambulance, please.
What happened?
My father suddenly collapsed and is having trouble breathing.
Is he awake?
Yes, but he's very weak and can barely speak.
I understand. What is your exact address?
It's 25 Green Park Road, apartment 4B.
Thank you. An ambulance is on the way. Please stay on the line.
Okay. What should I do while we wait?
Keep him as comfortable as possible. If he becomes unconscious or stops breathing, tell me immediately.
All right. He's still breathing, but he looks very pale.
Help is only a few minutes away. Stay calm.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. The ambulance will arrive very soon. Hi! Are you free this weekend? I need your help planning a birthday party.
Of course. Whose birthday is it?
It's my younger sister's birthday. She's turning 16.
That's exciting. Have you chosen a theme yet?
Yes, she loves pastel colors, balloons, and flowers.
Nice. How many people are you inviting?
Around 20 friends and a few family members.
What about the food?
I'm thinking of pizza, sandwiches, fruit, and a chocolate cake.
Sounds delicious. Do you need help decorating?
Yes, please. Can you come early on Saturday?
Sure. I'll bring some balloons and fairy lights too.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
No problem. I'm sure your sister will love the surprise.
I hope so. I can't wait to celebrate with everyone.
It's going to be a wonderful party.
Hi! What do you think of this sofa?
I really like it. It looks modern and very comfortable.
I agree. The gray color would match our living room.
That's true. But should we also look at the blue one?
Sure. The blue sofa looks beautiful, but I think it might be too bright.
Good point. The gray one is more practical and easier to keep clean.
Exactly. It also has enough space for 3 people.
Let's sit on it and see how comfortable it is.
Wow, it's really soft and supportive.
I like it too. The cushions feel great.
What about the price? Is it within our budget?
Yes, it's on sale today, so we'll save some money.
Perfect. I think we found the right sofa.
I agree. Let's buy it. Hi, I'd like to fill the car with fuel, please.
Certainly. Would you like petrol or diesel?
Petrol, please. Fill it up.
No problem. Would you like regular or premium petrol?
Regular is fine, thank you.
All right. I'll start filling the tank now.
Thanks. By the way, can you also check the tire pressure?
Of course. I'll check all 4 tires after I finish.
Great. I have a long drive today.
Your fuel tank is full now, and the tire pressure looks good.
Perfect. How much do I owe you?
The total is $58.50.
Here's my credit card.
Thank you. The payment is approved. Here's your receipt.
Thanks for your help. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Drive safely. Good morning. What brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I've had a toothache for the past 3 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth is hurting?
It's the back tooth on the left side.
Does it hurt all the time or only when you eat?
It hurts more when I eat something hot or cold.
I see. Let me take a quick look.
Okay.
It looks like you have a small cavity. We should treat it before it gets worse.
Will the treatment be painful?
No. I'll use a local anesthetic, so you shouldn't feel much discomfort.
That's good to know.
After the filling, avoid very hard foods for a day and brush your teeth twice a day.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
You're welcome. Your smile will be healthy again soon.
Excuse me, could you help me find a birthday gift?
Of course. Who is the gift for?
It's for my best friend. She's turning 25 next week.
Great. What kinds of things does she like?
She loves reading, coffee, and home decoration.
In that case, how about this beautiful coffee mug and a best-selling novel?
They both look nice. Do you have any gift sets?
Yes, this gift box includes a mug, scented candle, chocolates, and a notebook.
That's perfect. How much is it?
It's $35 and gift wrapping is free today.
Wonderful. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Would you like to add a birthday card?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Here you go. Happy birthday to your friend.
Thank you for your help.
Hey, what should we watch tonight?
I'm not sure. Do you want to watch a movie or a TV series?
I'm in the mood for a movie. How about a comedy?
A comedy sounds fun, but I was thinking about an action movie.
We watched an action movie last weekend.
You're right. Then maybe we should try something different.
How about a mystery movie? I love solving puzzles.
That sounds interesting. Is it too scary?
No, it's more exciting than scary.
Perfect. Do you know a good one?
Yes, I heard The Last Clue has great reviews.
Awesome. Let's make some popcorn before we start.
Great idea. I'll also bring some cold drinks.
This is going to be a fun movie night.
I can't wait. Let's press play.
Excuse me, could you tell me the parking rules here?
Of course. This parking area is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Can I park here for the whole day?
Yes, you can, but you'll need to pay the daily parking fee.
How much does it cost?
It's $12 for the entire day.
Is there a time limit for street parking nearby?
Yes, street parking is limited to 2 hours during the day.
I see. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments.
Great. Is overnight parking allowed?
No, overnight parking isn't permitted in this lot.
Thanks for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Please park only within the marked spaces.
I will. Have a great day.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to book a general health checkup.
Certainly. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this will be my first visit.
All right. May I have your full name and phone number, please?
My name is David Miller, and my phone number is 555-1234-567.
Thank you. We have an appointment available this Friday at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Please arrive 15 minutes early to complete the registration form.
Sure. Should I avoid eating before the checkup?
Yes. Please don't eat or drink anything except water for 8 hours before your appointment.
Okay. Is there anything else I should bring?
Please bring your ID and any previous medical records if you have them.
Thank you. See you on Friday.
Hi! What are you doing on your laptop?
I'm shopping on an online store. I need a new pair of headphones.
Nice. Have you found one you like?
Yes, but I'm comparing different brands and reading customer reviews first.
That's a smart idea. Reviews can help you choose a better product.
Exactly. This one has a 4.8-star rating and thousands of positive reviews.
How much does it cost?
It's usually $80, but today it's on sale for $60.
That's a great discount. Does it include free shipping?
Yes, and it will arrive in 2 days.
Perfect. Are you going to order it now?
Yes, I'll pay with my credit card.
I hope you like it when it arrives.
Thanks. I'm excited to use my new headphones.